testing session and the CSRF to make sure that they still work in an actual app. And I'm running into a little bit of an issue right here. So like this right here is a home controller, which under routes, as you see, is just the root path. So if I come here and I set session test to my name, then I output it. It actually is output, as you would expect, since it's just setting a value and outputting it. But then if I come over to a post controller index and try to access the same session, no matter which way I get it, it doesn't work. I tried session test right here. If I put a question mark, nothing. If I don't put a question mark, it exceptions because it doesn't exist. So yeah, anyway, apparently it's not actually saving it. Another reason I think it isn't saving it is because, let me actually run this again. Okay. Okay, let me just start that up, and okay, it looks like it's starting fairly fast. I'll go over to Safari just to make sure that I don't have any cached cookies. Cool, so let me go back to the first one I was talking about. So just, here's the home page. We go look in the log now. We see session should exist right after it's set. Session should exist right after it's set, good. Okay, back to Safari. And so now let me go to the posts one. We come here. Session should exist on future requests, but it didn't. Another thing that's a little bit concerning is Safari, come on. Okay, so probably actually don't have inspect element on here, do I? Okay, hey. Okay, submit CSRF check failed. Just to verify, under this path, I actually do have CSRF, Flash, and Session enabled for this pipeline. And let me just go show you this in Chrome as well. So right here, if we actually look at CSRF, let me refresh this page. And if you look right here, you'll see there is a CSRF key right here. Input type hidden name CSRF. And this previously worked. But now when I submit it, submit, CSRF check failed. So anyway, I'll also post a link to the project here so you don't have to set it up again when testing this. Thanks.